Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. I thought I'd share with you some of the stuff I do with these IBC totes. Over on my other channel, I've done some instructional videos on how I work with this, so I figured I'd better do one here, because I know everybody's not subscribed to both channels. Alrighty, so what I've got here is I have one of the 275 gallon IBC totes that I picked up, and I got to treat this one a little bit different because it had 196 proof potato alcohol in it, and I got it from the local distillery after they were done using it, and they can't reuse them. So I got it. So I'm going to cut it at that line right there, the second rail up. I'm going to make two. Whoa, the wind's blowing. I'm going to make two separate half containers. One, the lower one there, is going to be for fruit trees, most particularly citrus trees, that in the wintertime I move it into the shop so it's protected. And the top one will be turned, well, I've got other pallets, I'll turn it upside down, mount it on a pallet, and it'll, so I can move it around here, it'll be used as a raised planter bed. Alright, so let me grab the tool I'm going to use is a 7-inch Harbor Freight Central Electric angle grinder with a metal cutoff blade on it. So let me grab that and get at it. One of the things I got to be careful of is when I'm going around the corner so that I'm cutting the metal here, that I don't cut through the plastic and throw sparks in there, because even though I've had the top off here and had it venting, there still may be enough alcohol vapor in there to cause a problem for me. So I'm going to be careful on doing this. A block of wood in here, a stake in here to lift it up. As I go around the side there and around the other side, I'll start blocking it up so that it doesn't pinch down on my blade. But right now I'm just going to lift it up here and turn it around for you. Is loose. Now I just got to go around and cut the plastic. So let me go grab my Sawzall and get out here with it. Alright, so I'm going to use my cordless Craftsman 19.2 volt C3 unit here, and that's the blade I got on it. I don't want to go any finer teeth than that. I found that it kind of the plastic sticks and gets hot to it and sticks to it and kind of gunks up. This it kicks it all out, and I don't have any problems. not near any of the metal, so it won't spark. Battery just died. Alright, so that one's going to be for the citrus plant. So what I'm going to do with that one, I'm going to take most of that pile there, which has a lot of dirt and biomass in it from the wood. Some of the firewood they brought me had been out there curing for, or whatever the right, curing's not the right word, but over last winter and stuff, and so it had the bark was breaking down off of it, so it's a lot of mass in there to go in there. And then for right now, I got to go over, if I can get it to aim right here, right over there is a blue pallet. I'm going to bring it over, put that on it, then I'll put that on that blue pallet, then I'll take all the rest of the firewood that's out here that's good, including the stuff there in that pile, and I'll fill it up and put it in the shop, so it's easy for me to bring into the house. So what I'll do is, once that's full, or as full as I get from all this firewood going in it, I'll just wheel it around to the back door and pull the wood into the house for and stock up the racks in the house for firewood. All right, so that's how that goes. Fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Need to be careful in using these. You got to make sure you're getting ones that are food grade, even for the garden, because you don't want to have nasty chemicals in there and thinking, oh, I'm not eating out of it, I'm just going to put some dirt on it. Well, it's going to absorb through the dirt into the roots of the plant, so you got to make sure you have good IBC totes to make planters out of. Alrighty, so before I take off, I'm going to put up the link right here to our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Down here I'll put another video you might be interested in. Up over here I'll put my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, so you can go check it out. And then right here I'll put the link to this channel for those that aren't subscribed yet. Alrighty, take care, see you around.